Good morning. So on TranZact, whenever you go ahead and upload an opening balance, that amount get reflected in your payments module. So what next action you can do onto that? Let's go to our payments module for that. So once you upload an opening balance along with your invoice number and invoice date, the previous invoice number and invoice date. So in order to settle that amount, you need to go ahead and log a payment against it. So how you can do it? So here is one of the opening balance which have been already uploaded. So what I will do, I will select this particular opening balance and I will click on log payment. So here in log payment, I will go ahead and put the amount, and then after I will go ahead and put the payment date, at which date the payment have been made, in which account the payment have been made, the payment mode, the reference number, and comment. And then after I will click on save. So once I will click on save, that particular opening balance will get settled and that amount will get settled, sir. So this is how you can go ahead and show on TranZact that you have received a payment against it, or you have went ahead and made a payment against it, and then after the same will be seen in your ledgers as well. So I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.